this is the official hands-on look of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and trust me, this is the first ever longest name of a smartphone that I have ever heard of. But wait, I have not just live images but also a good news that might move you from the controversy of Exynos chips and Snapdragon chips, you know, that situation between them, and also some official renders for Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G is the third foldable smartphone from Samsung, which is coming really soon, and the launch event for this is going to happen on August 5. Well, the Galaxy Z Flip or Z Flip 5G are not from this Galaxy Fold series, they are separate, but this Galaxy Z Fold 2 has its predecessor, the Galaxy Fold, which was launched back in 2019. Now Samsung is all set for their brand new improved Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. As you can see, this is the live hands-on look of Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and it looks really cool. What a design of phone. Before this leaked picture, we've already seen the official image of Galaxy Z Fold 2, and the rear camera setup is also clear from this official image of Galaxy Z Fold 2. Other than that, we recently got these official renders for Galaxy Z Fold 2 in Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black, and this looks really cool. So we got that big display, and according to current leaks and rumors, the display size for the main display, the exterior one, is going to be 6.23 inches, while the interior display, which becomes tablet when unfolded, is going to be 7.7 inches. And Max Weinbach also found something in the latest firmware update of Galaxy Z Flip 5G. He found some aspect ratios for Galaxy Z Fold 2 display sizes. As you can see, we have 25:9 aspect ratio for the front display and 5:4 aspect ratio for the internal. And Ross Young has also confirmed, and if you look at the top of the phone, there is a single punch hole camera, and thanks for that Samsung. Last year's Galaxy Fold had that big notch which was actually copying iPhone's design, but yeah, now we have just punch hole, and it looks very cool because now we will have more display space to enjoy using it. Now if we talk about the refresh rate, then obviously in the main display we will see 60Hz, but in the interior display Samsung is gonna put the 120Hz refresh rate, going all the way to the next level upgrade, jumping straight from 60Hz of Galaxy Fold to the 120Hz in Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and this is really impressive. Now talking about the cameras, then it is having kind of same design as the upcoming Note 20 Ultra. I'm not so sure about that. What is apparent to me looks like Note 20 Ultra camera design. By the way, this might include a 12 megapixel primary sensor, a 64 megapixel telephoto sensor with 3 times optical zoom, and another 12 megapixel sensor which will be ultra wide angle lens, and then time of flight sensor. But in current renders we don't see any time of flight sensor, so I can't confirm this thing for now. At the front there could be a 10 megapixel sensor. Now here comes the good news. You guys might have heard of Exynos 990 processor to be in the upcoming Samsung phones. This is right, but listen, Samsung is going to optimize this Exynos 990 to almost equivalent to Snapdragon 865 Plus performance. As you can see this news from Sam Mobile that Exynos 990 has been heavily optimized, then I can say this surely that it can compete with Snapdragon 865 Plus. So we might not see that huge performance difference between the Exynos and Snapdragon chips this time. So that's all for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Do let me know your thoughts on this smartphone, especially on the name of this smartphone. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.